The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. What if the secret to youthful energy and vitality was not in a bottle of supplements or an anti-aging cream, but on your plate? Hormonal balance is crucial not just for looking young, but for feeling great. Imbalanced hormones can lead to fatigue, weight gain, and even accelerated aging. But the right foods can be powerful allies in restoring balance naturally. Today, we'll uncover hormone-balancing foods that can transform your well-being and help you age gracefully, all backed by science. Before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe to Aneya Healthy Living and also hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Why hormonal balance matters. Hormones are chemical messengers that control everything from metabolism and mood to skin health and energy levels. When hormones like estrogen, insulin, and cortisol are out of balance, they wreak havoc on your body, leading to premature aging and chronic health issues. The good news? Nature provides foods that can help stabilize these critical hormones, promoting a healthier, more vibrant you. Flaxseeds, the estrogen stabilizer. Flaxseeds are tiny but mighty when it comes to hormonal health. They contain lignans, plant compounds that mimic estrogen. This makes them particularly beneficial for women, helping to balance estrogen levels naturally. Studies suggest that flax seeds may reduce symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, and even lower the risk of hormone-related cancers. How to use? Add ground flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads. Just 2 tablespoons a day can make a difference. Soy, the hormone harmonizer. Soy is often misunderstood, but when consumed in moderation, it's a powerhouse for hormonal health. Rich in isoflavones, a type of plant estrogen, soy helps regulate estrogen levels in the body. It's especially useful during perimenopause, a time when estrogen fluctuations can cause discomfort. Medical claim. Research shows soy consumption may lower the risk of osteoporosis and reduce menopausal symptoms like night sweats and mood swings. How to use? Incorporate tofu, edamame, or soy milk into your meals. Opt for organic, non-GMO soy products for the best results. Leafy greens, the detoxifiers. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in magnesium, a mineral essential for hormone regulation. Magnesium helps control stress hormones like cortisol, which, when elevated, can cause weight gain, fatigue, and aging. Additionally, leafy greens are high in fiber, aiding in the removal of excess estrogen from the body. How to use? Include a generous portion of greens in your daily diet, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a side dish. Avocados, the healthy fat hero. Avocados are loaded with healthy fats that support the production of hormones like progesterone. They're also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps improve skin elasticity and combat signs of aging. Medical claim. Healthy fats in avocados play a role in reducing inflammation, which can disrupt hormone function. How to use? Enjoy avocado in salads, on toast, or blend it into creamy smoothies. Fatty fish, omega-3, superfood. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for hormone production and overall health. These healthy fats are vital for creating and maintaining the structure of cell membranes where many hormone receptors are located. By supporting these receptors, omega-3s help ensure that hormones like insulin and thyroid hormones function effectively. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids are linked to improved mood regulation by supporting the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This makes fatty fish not only beneficial for physical health, but also for emotional well-being. Medical claim. Studies show that omega-3s can lower the risk of polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and improve symptoms in those with this hormonal condition. How to use? Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or consider an omega-3 supplement if fish isn't part of your diet. Nuts and seeds, nutrient powerhouses. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are rich in essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that support hormone balance. Walnuts, for example, contain omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds are high in vitamin E, which aids in the regulation of sex hormones. How to use? Snack on a handful of nuts or add seeds to your yogurt or smoothies for a nutrient boost. Cruciferous vegetables, the estrogen regulators. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts are powerful allies for hormone balance, particularly when it comes to regulating estrogen levels. These vegetables are rich in a compound called indole 3-carbinol, I3C, which supports the body in metabolizing estrogen into its healthier forms. This process helps reduce the risk of estrogen dominance, a condition linked to hormonal imbalances, mood swings, and even certain cancers. Additionally, these vegetables are high in dietary fiber, which plays a critical role in eliminating excess hormones from the body. The fiber binds to hormones like estrogen in the digestive tract, ensuring they are excreted rather than reabsorbed into the bloodstream. Cruciferous vegetables are also packed with antioxidants and phytochemicals that reduce inflammation and support liver detoxification, a crucial process for maintaining hormonal health. The liver is responsible for breaking down and removing excess hormones, and these vegetables provide the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Medical claim: studies link the consumption of cruciferous vegetables to a reduced risk of hormone-sensitive cancers. How to use: steam, roast, or stir-fry these vegetables for a delicious and hormone-balancing meal. Berries. Antioxidant boosters. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are nutritional gems loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress caused by hormonal fluctuations, which can accelerate aging and disrupt normal hormone function. Berries are also high in fiber, which supports the digestive system and aids in the elimination of excess hormones, particularly estrogen, helping to maintain a better hormonal balance. Moreover, these vibrant fruits are linked to improved cognitive health, as the antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect brain cells. Regularly eating berries may also enhance skin health, as they promote collagen production and combat the effects of stress hormones on the skin. How to use: add fresh or frozen berries to your morning cereal, yogurt, or desserts. Whole grains, blood sugar balancers. Whole grains like quinoa, oats, and brown rice provide complex carbohydrates that stabilize blood sugar levels. Consistent blood sugar is crucial for balanced insulin, the hormone responsible for glucose regulation. How to use: swap refined grains for whole grains in your meals for sustained energy and better hormonal health. Hydration and herbs. Don't forget the basics. Proper hydration and natural herbs like turmeric and ginger also play significant roles in hormone regulation. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that supports adrenal health, while ginger helps lower cortisol levels. How to use: sip on herbal teas or add these spices to your dishes for an easy hormonal health boost. Now we wrap up here. Balancing your hormones isn't just about avoiding stress or getting enough sleep. It starts with what's on your plate. Foods like flax seeds, soy, leafy greens, and fatty fish aren't just delicious. They're key players in maintaining your hormonal health and youthful vitality. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet can help regulate estrogen, insulin, and cortisol, unlocking energy and slowing the effects of aging. Why wait? Start adding these hormone-balancing superfoods to your meals today and take a big step toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on nutrition and wellness. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your health journey starts with small, consistent steps. Let's take them together. See you in the next video. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.